How to cancel order on Joyabuy. So this is a simple and easy guide on how to cancel order on Joyabuy. So to cancel an order on Joyabuy, you have to log into your account. Go to the Joya website and log in your account. Number two, navigate to order history. Once logged in, find my orders or order history section. This is typically located under your account settings or profile menu. Number three, find the order you want to cancel. Look for the order you want to cancel. You may see the order listed with its status pending, shipped, processing. Number four, check order status. If the order is still in the processing stage and hasn't been shipped, you should be able to cancel it. If the status is already shipped or delivered, cancellation may not be possible, but you might be able to initiate a return after receiving the item. Now click on cancel order if the option is available. Click on cancel order or a similar button, confirm the cancellation if prompted. Now you have to wait for confirmation. After canceling the order, you should receive a confirmation message or email stating that the cancellation was successful. If the order has already been shipped or you can't cancel it directly through your account, you may need to contact Joyabuy's customer service for assistance. Be sure to provide your order number and any other relevant details for a faster solution. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.